Understanding Assembly Area, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of the phrase, assembly area. Whether you're learning English for daily use, academic purposes, or travel, understanding such phrases is crucial. So let's dive in and unravel what assembly area means in different contexts. An assembly area is a designated space where people gather or assemble for a specific purpose. It's commonly used in contexts like schools, offices, or public events. The key aspect of an assembly area is its purpose of group gathering. 1. Schools. Here, an assembly area might be where students gather for morning announcements or special events. 2. Workplaces. In offices, this could be a meeting room or a common space for team briefings. 3. Emergencies. During a fire drill or actual emergency, the assembly area is a predefined safe spot where all occupants gather. Understanding where the assembly area is in buildings like schools, workplaces, or public venues is vital for safety. In emergencies, it ensures everyone gathers in a safe location, making it easier for head counts and assistance. 1. Please proceed to the nearest assembly area in case of an emergency. 2. The school conducts its morning assembly in the main assembly area. 3. During the event, volunteers will guide attendees to the assembly area for the keynote speech. So, that's all about assembly areas. They're more than just physical spaces. They're integral for organization and safety in various settings. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase confidently in English. Thanks for watching, and keep learning.